Hi, I'm Angharad Jones with the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California, and I'm here to talk about how to repair bubbles in a homemade candle. So this is a candle that I poured yesterday and I let it cool completely, and as a candle cools, the wax contracts and you'll often get big bubbles in them. And so I'm going to show you how to repair that. So this is one that I poured yesterday afternoon, and there's quite a significant tunnel down the middle. So I'm going to take a little bit of the same wax that I used yesterday and I'm just going to top it up. And I'm going to pour it in and let it settle for a moment and make sure, jiggle it just a little bit, make sure there's no bubbles still left, and then I'm going to leave it and let it cool until it's finished. So you're going to let the wax sit until it's completely solid, and then you're going to unmold your candle. And that's how to repair bubbles in your homemade candles. This is Angharad Jones with the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California. Happy crafting!